Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to enable or disable TikTok's restricted mode. If you're a parent or guardian or just want to control the content that you or someone else sees on TikTok, then this video is for you. While you're here, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first step is to open up the TikTok app on your smartphone. Once you have the app opened, make sure you're signed into your TikTok account. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Now tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of your screen. This will open the TikTok settings menu. Tap on settings and privacy, then scroll down and under content and display, tap on content preferences. On the next menu, tap on restricted mode. Next, you can turn this one off or on according to your preference. If you enable restricted mode, you will see less content that might not be appropriate for all audiences. This is a good option if you want to filter out explicit or suggestive content. If you disable restricted mode, you'll see all content on TikTok without any filtering. So just tap the red button at the bottom, and then here you can set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. So if you want to ensure that restricted mode settings cannot be changed without your permission, you can set a passcode. To do this, simply tap on the restricted mode button and then tap on set passcode. Follow the prompts to set up your passcode. And that's it for today's video on how to enable or disable TikTok's restricted mode. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.